Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I have given you one assignment which you have to submit to me by Wednesday positively. Okay, you can submit to me directly. So today I'm going to tell you how you will add a column to your data frame. Okay, for that we have four methods. To add the column we have four methods. Okay, one is a index method. One is a using LOC function, one is a using assign function, and one is a using insert function. Okay, these are the four columns. One is a math, one is a bio marks, then is a IP marks, then is a physics marks, which I am going to add this in this data frame. I have created this data frame, okay, where we have name, grade, and city column only. But I want to add these four columns in the same data frame. So I'll add one column to the data frame but using different method. Firstly, I'm going to tell you the index method. It's very easy, you have already done that. Index method क्या है कि it will add, suppose name is in the 0 index, 1 index पे grade है, 2 पे city है, then automatically in the third index it will add the column. How you will add? You have to write the data frame name, then in this square bracket write the name of the column. What is the name of the column? Is maths. So we'll write here maths, then is equal to whatever the values under that, 55, 60, 66, 99. Okay, so I'll write here 55, 66, 66 and 99. That's it. Okay, just for your understanding, so I'm using here just to comment this index method. Okay, so here we are inserting using the index method. So to your understanding, I'm going to print one black line, then I'm going to print the same data frame. Now you see the output. So you see this is the three columns and the fourth one is added. Okay, fourth one is added. Suppose before adding this, if I print this data frame here, I print this before adding the column, then you see there was only three columns, but after using this index method the fourth one is there. Now the second one method is using LOC, using the LOC. Then for that what you will do, it is also the simple method. For this you have to write data frame name dot LOC, then square bracket, put colon sign, then comma, then the name of the column. What is the name of the column? Bio. So you have to write bio here, then after that bracket close is equal to the values whatever the score, 45, 65, 76, 69, 45, 65, 76, say 59. Okay, so if you see that now I have added, this is I am commenting using LOC method, then I am going to print this again. So you see मैं इसको copy paste कर रहा हूँ to save your time. Now you see the next column will be added. You see, so this I print again. So here is a, यहाँ पे जो column add हुआ था maths, that is using the index method, और यहाँ पे जो bio add हुआ है it is using the LOC method. Now the next one method I am going to tell you using the assign function, So it is also very simple method. I am going to tell you how. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, here you need to df as a variable name, then यहाँ पे df को as a variable name आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा, otherwise it will not work. df is equal to df dot assign, then bracket start, then the name of the df dot assign, Then the name of the column. Say name of the column is, what is the name of the column? Next is IP. So IP is my name of column is equal to, यहाँ पे आपको values देनी है whatever the marks is containing by the student, 85, 90, 45, 60, 85, 90, 65, last is 80, 90, 45, 69. Then इसको क्लोज कर देते हैं, 45, 69. So you see in that way. But earlier हमने variable name नहीं लिया, we directly put it in the column, means just we use the data frame name, then we follow the method. But when you use the assign method तो आपको variable में डालना जरूरी है, तो you can use the same variable also which I have created the data frame, sorry. Then अब देखो यहाँ पे IP column insert कर हो चुका है, तो let's just check it. Control C, मैं इसको copy paste कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको clear हो जाए. Now you see the output. So you see the ये जो हमने ऐड किया using IP, this is according to the assign method. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो IP column ऐड हुआ है, this is मैं कमेंट कर रहा हूँ using assign method. ठीक है बेटे. Now the last method is your insert function, using the insert function. Insert function is also very simple. So here you can use this. The last method is data frame dot insert. Then you have to start the bracket. यहाँ पे आपको location दे रहा है. यहाँ पे LOC stand for location. If you see that how many columns we have already added. Name, I told you column की indexing भी होती है. तो name is in the 0 index, grade 1 index पे पड़ा है, city पड़ा है 2 index पे, then 3 index पे पड़ा है maths, 4 index पे होगा bio, 5 index पे हो गया IP, and the 6 index पे हमें insert करना है. तो I am giving location is equal to 6, okay, comma, यहाँ पे आपको column लिखना है. Column is a keyword, column is equal to column का name. से column का name है यहाँ पे physics, okay, कॉमा के बाद आपको यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिखना है कि क्या वैल्यूज है. तो वैल्यूज की जो भी हम लिस्ट में ले लेंगे 60, 40, 73, 60, 60, 43, 73, 60. तो ये जो वैल्यूज हैं, देन यू हैव टू क्लोज द ब्रैकेट. तो यहाँ पे देखो आपने जो फोर्थ मेथड यूज किया है, वहां पे क्या है, df डॉट इंसर्ट हियर लोकेशन. लोकेशन मतलब which location I am going to insert. मैंने 6 पे करना था, तो I have written 6th position. 6 मतलब 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Accordingly I have checked the location is equal to 6 कर दिया. Then as a column, column का यहाँ पे column कीवर्ड आता है. Column का name मैंने physics, then उसकी values कि उसके अंदर ये वाली values है. Now you see the output. Control C, Control V. Now just you implement this. So here you see the fourth column is added. Sorry, the last one, sixth location पे जो column था वो add कर दिया. मतलब fourth column ही था वो physics जो हमारे accordingly था. Then as क्योंकि three name, grade name, city was earlier there. So math, bio, IP, physics ये मैंने add किए हैं using the different methods. Okay. तो ये देखो फिजिक्स भी इसमें ऐड हो चुका है 60, 43, 73, 60. So in that way you can add the columns in your data frame. Okay students, so if you see, तो ये इस पे मैं कर रहा हूँ using for your understanding, ताकि आपको पता चले, using insert function. तो ये देखो for your separation, यहाँ पे जब मैं डेटा फ्रेम प्रिंट कराया तो फर्स्ट मेथड बना था. Here I printed the using the second method. Here I print this using the third method. Now this is the fourth method. So if you see यहाँ here in the first one, it is the first data frame without, means this is the only. Okay, it is according to this data frame. Okay. Then I add the math, then I add the bio, then I add the IP, then I add the physics. So student, these four methods are there. in your exam sometime they ask you particularly means they ask you कि write the code line to insert the following column. वो column आपको दिया होगा पेपर में, to insert the following column in the data frame df using insert method. Sometime they mention the method कि you have to use this method only, but sometimes they don't mention. When they don't mention, then you can use any method from these four. But if they mention particular method, then you have to use the same method to score the exact marks. Otherwise, maybe it depend upon the examiner ki might be he or she has given you the marks or might be deduct the marks or might be not given any marks for the same. So ये चारों के चारों मेथड है बेटे, ट्राई इट इन योर ओन वे, लिख लिख के लर्न करो, बना के लर्न करो, बट मेक श्योर these four methods should be clear to you. It is not that much tough, just to remind the syntax easily you can do this. Okay, I hope these four methods is clear to you. In the next video we'll add the rows also, we'll delete the columns also, and we will delete the row also. Okay, so please submit the assignment by tomorrow positively. Again, I'm telling you, send it to me in direct message. Thank you. Have a nice day.